Okay.
So it's funny that you brought that argument up because I thought of that on my own. I didn't read somebody else. Like as soon as this news came out, I'm like, well, wait a minute, because Trump argued that he, as the executive, can declassify documents just by declaring it.
Yeah.
Thinking it. I mean, thinking it is one thing because you have to still tell other people. Right?
Do you?
Well, otherwise, how would they know?
You tell this person doesn't hear you, but you tell this person it's declassified.
It's...
So thinking it is legit.
But a pardon is presumably has the same power.
I would think it would need to be written down so people could say, hey, I've been pardoned.
I would say that's evidence of a pardon, which you should have, but it's not part of the law. Right? As soon as I think it, he's pardoned. But now, if you want to,
you have precedence on that.
Prove to the jailer to release him. I can show up in person.
Yeah, you have precedence on that.
I can walk down there and say, "Hey, I'm pardoning that man."
You have precedence on that.
Or I can send him a note.
I don't know that you're right, and I'm not disagreeing with you. But you have precedence.
I tried to look up: has there ever been a verbal pardon? I couldn't find that. I think they've all been written as of now, but there's no constitutional qualification for that.
Okay. I don't know. I like because they also brought up that they're going to challenge in court his mental capacity, which I brought up like 4 or 5 weeks ago.
Yeah, the problem is they didn't fucking act on that when they could.
No, because there's people. There was a lawyer who said he's too incompetent to provide his own defense for his classified document thing. So that's a legal claim. It's a court order that's filed. A judge's signature went on it.
I don't think that's going to... I think they would have to 25th Amendment him for that to work.
And then, I also go, just look at him in the camera.
Yeah, that's never going to... I mean, yes, that's hilarious, but it's never going to fly.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm curious, because I actually said that Trump is going to pull these pardons back. And I'm curious if he's actually going to do it or not, or if he can do it or not.
Well, he can always issue an arrest warrant, and a cop can go arrest the guy. Yeah. I don't think any judge will anywhere, even a Trump judge, will throw that out.
But if he proves the pardon to be illegitimate,
he can't.
Well, no, he's trying to.
I don't think he can.
If it's an auto pen, I think he can.
No,
they could have signed their own pardon.
No, but listen, regardless of the auto pen issue, Biden got on TV and said, "I'm pardoning these people." So it came out of his mouth.
Huh.
Now he didn't say that for all pardons, I don't think. So we'd have to go look up the footage. Who did he do it? Who did he not?
Let's go with Liz Cheney. Let's say she stuck into the White House and auto-penned her own pardon.
Right.
And she says, "No, I didn't." And then we call him to court.
Yeah.
Biden to court.
Right.
To testify that he actually signed it.
Right.
But he's mentally incompetent and cannot provide evidence that he signed it.
Fuck if I know how that's gonna fly. I have no idea.
I don't know either. I'm actually looking forward to it. What else you got?
Okay.